Hi, Amanda from Footforward Shoes in Hamilton, and today we are talking about a new boot from Bobux that's waterproof called the Splash Boot. It is so bendy and flexible, it is so light. It has got a zip down the front for easy off and on with the gusset for the waterproofness, and also a little bungee cord to tighten up around the legs so the water can't get in there, or tighten around the legs and have the trousers over the top so the water runs down over it. It's got the wonderful active sole unit, which has been so popular in the little dimensions and other little styles because it is so bendy and flexible. All got a nice little gloss top to it as well, going right up to the size 33, UK 1, UK 1.5-ish, though sometimes we have found the active sole does fit slightly smaller than the other styles in the full leather. But that is a fabulous waterproof boot called Splash from Bobux for winter 2022. And what the other colours? We have got the navy and the blueberry with the red, and of course the blush pink, which is super gorgeous. Comes with this little tag on it which is removable, just to let you know that it has got splash text in there and it is waterproof. So these are fabulous, the latest design for Bobux for winter 2022, and available now online and in store. So come on and get some. Bye.